What's up guys, and we are just 2 hours away from the Samsung Galaxy 2020 Impact event, and let's talk about what Samsung is going to release in that event by starting with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. So it is the successor of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 1, and now talk about the display of this mobile phone. It is going to have a 6.23 inch of outer display instead of 4.6 inch, and it's going to have a single punch hole camera by becoming the world's first foldable mobile phone with punch hole camera. So the outer display is going to have a full corner to corner display without any huge bezels. And now if I talk about the inner display, it is going to have a 7.7 inch display instead of 7.3 inch display we have seen in the previous one. And the best thing about this one is that it is going to have a 120Hz refresh rate. And Samsung is going to be world's first mobile manufacturing company which is going to deliver a foldable mobile phone with 120Hz refresh rate. It is going to have a LTPO display, which means that it will have a variable refresh rate and it can change its refresh rate according to the content displayed. And unlike the previous one, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G is not going to have any notch in its inner display. Instead, it's going to have a hole punch just like the outer display. That means that we can enjoy full tablet mode in this mobile phone. And there are also some news that it is going to have a new hinge which is going to be thinner and durable as compared to the previous one. That means that Samsung is going to use the same hinge they have used in the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And the camera in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G is going to be same as the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which I am going to talk about later in this video. So first of all, it is going to have 108 megapixel main camera, and then telephoto camera which is going to have a 50x optical zoom and can also support 8K video. And in processor department, it is going to have a Snapdragon 865 plus processor, and thankfully they are not going to use any Exynos processor in this mobile phone in any region. And the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G will come in 12GB to 16GB of RAM, and it is going to come in 256GB of storage and 512GB of storage. And the lower storage mean lower price, and it's going to have a frosted back. And there are also news is that it's not going to support S Pen. But the good news is that it's going to have ultra thin glass we have seen in the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And now let's talk about the star of the show, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So the price of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is going to be 1349 euros, and it's going to come in 3 colors: copper, white and black. And there are news is that copper one will come in frosted back and all of the other colors will have a shining back. The display of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is also going to be bigger as compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So it is going to have a 6.9 inch display as compared to the 6.8 inch display on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And it's going to have same 120Hz LTPO display just like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. But we still don't know it is going to support WQHD Plus or not. But what is confirmed that it is going to be world's first mobile phone that will come with Gorilla Glass 7 as well as known as Gorilla Glass Victus. And it's not going to be as curved display as the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. And the camera is going to be same as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus with minor changes just like the laser autofocus sensor which is added to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. First there will be 108 megapixel main camera and then 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. And the third one is going to be a 12 megapixel f3.0 telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom and 50x hybrid zoom. And instead of the 40 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, we will see a 10 megapixel camera in the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But the heartbreaking news is that it will come in Exynos in international model, but if you live in USA, you will get a Snapdragon 865 plus processor. And now you can use your S Pen as a pointer on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And now let's talk about the smaller Samsung Galaxy Note 20. The price of the 4G variant is going to be 999 euros, and it's going to have a 6.42 inch 60Hz 1080p display. The telephoto camera is going to be 64 megapixel with no optical zoom, and the main camera will be 12 megapixel, and same ultra wide angle camera is also going to be 12 megapixel. But there will be no any laser autofocus sensor in this mobile phone. It will also going to come in Exynos 990 processor in the international model, and if you live in China and USA, you will get a Snapdragon 865 plus processor. And there are also some news that it will come in a plastic bag instead of the glass bag we have seen in the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy Note 10. That means that the flagship phone from the Samsung is going to have a plastic bag. And there are also some other products Samsung is going to release in that event, including Tab S7, which will come in two different sizes, 11 inch and 12.4 inch. 11 will have a LCD panel with 120Hz refresh rate, and 12.4 inch will have a OLED panel with 120Hz display. And the both tab will have a 45-watt fast charger in their boxes. And Samsung is also going to release Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 and Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, which is going to be in-ear headphone and also have active noise cancellation features in that. Tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day regarding to the Samsung Galaxy 2020 Impact event. I usually upload tech videos on YouTube every day, so be sure to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in another video. Until, peace out.